Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 16 Neo, and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here, let me go back, and here we need to scroll and find the apps. Then let's tap on see all 69 apps, of course 69 in my case, and then tap on 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset App Preferences, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and battery usage settings. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so just tap on Reset Apps and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.